Hi, my name is Lex Barker. I'm a project manager at the Army Corps of Engineers Buffalo District. We are specifically repairing the lighthouse foundation. We completed repairs in 2018 and 2019 on the lakeside, and this is the third contract. We also have 2 more contracts already awarded, and we're going to complete those repairs in the next year or 2. The Oswego Harbor breakwaters are essential to providing safe navigation and economic vitality as part of the Great Lakes navigation system. Waterborne transportation facilitated by the harbor supports $24.4 million in business revenue, 119 jobs, and $8 million in labor income to the transportation sector. We also did a tour of the H. Lee White Maritime Museum. That museum does tours of the lighthouse. They've been a great partner with us, working to ensure a safe repair. So again, appreciate their partnership in being able to get this repair done. We are Army strong and building strong.